All right. We have the new Paradox Destinies tin. This comes in 4 variations. So let's see what's inside. Just coming out today. So we have the Gouging Fire EX promo card. Pretty nice. Let's see what packs we got in here. So it looks like we've got Twilight Masquerade, Triple Forces, and Obsidian Flames. See what we get. Code card. Here's the OG. I'll fly through these here since we've got so many. Just get right to it. Okay, got a hit right off the gate there. Get a sleeve for that. EX on the first pack is always nice. Right. Put a card for you. Just fire. So it's going to slip through here. Oh. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm kind of liking this. Much better one we've been opening. All right. Triple Forces. Go card. Water Energy. All right. Let's see. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. I mean, not crazy, but 3 packs, 3 hits is, it's changed pace more lately here. Okay, here we go. Wow. I feel like we've burned our luck already. Let's see what happens. Okay. All right. Last pack. So last pack magic. Or did we blow it up early? Okay. And yeah, it looks like we blew it early there. All right. So 5 packs, 3 hits. Not too bad. Couple of EXs and full art trainers, always pretty nice. Okay, till next time.